Could silver hit $100 an ounce? Imagine waking up one morning, checking the market, and seeing silver at a whopping $100 an ounce. Sounds like a financial thriller, right? But hold on to your wallets because this wild ride might be closer than you think. In early 2024, global silver demand was forecast to hit 1.2 billion ounces, marking the second highest level on record. The reason? Silver is heavily used in industries like automobile manufacturing, solar panels, jewelry, and electronics. Michael D. Rienzo, executive director of the Silver Institute, predicted that silver would have a terrific year, especially in terms of demand. And so far, it has yet to disappoint, hitting a 10-year high in May at over $32 an ounce, and then again in July, once again eclipsing $30 an ounce. Silver last hit $30 in February of 2013, and as of July 2024, it's trading just over $29 an ounce. For over a decade, it saw relatively stable pricing, but 2024 has been a great year so far. Randy Smallwood, CEO of Wheaton Precious Metals, explains that silver moves with gold, but usually lags behind it. This means that as gold takes off, silver typically follows suit. Gold, too, has had a tremendous year, so it's exciting to see silver climbing again as well. Have you bought any silver lately? Leave it in the comments down below. The Silver Institute sees a 9% climb in demand for silverware and a 6% rise in jewelry demand in 2024, with India expected to drive the jump in jewelry purchases. A projected recovery in consumer electronics is also poised to give the silver market an additional boost. However, in the short term, it is possible a slowing Chinese economy and decreased odds of U.S. interest rate cuts could present a headwind to silver institutional investment. But the tides could turn later in the second half of 2024 when most market watchers believe the U.S. Federal Reserve will start cutting rates. Silver prices, like gold, tend to have an inverse relationship with interest rates. A higher interest rate environment hurts demand for silver and gold, as these metals do not pay any interest, making them less appealing compared to alternative investments like bonds. Here's what usually happens with silver. It does move with gold, but it moves later. Due to silver's extensive industrial applications, its performance is tied closely to the health of the overall economy or business cycle. In contrast, gold prices usually rise during times of economic weakness or uncertainty. In that vein, silver is more sensitive to economic changes and more volatile than gold. It tends to outperform the yellow metal during periods of strong economic expansion, but underperforms when there is economic stress. Gold will likely shoot up first, and then you'll usually see silver take off rapidly. And silver always outperforms. It's just a little late to the party. So could silver hit $100 an ounce? Well, if the current ratio stands, gold would need to shoot up to $8,500 an ounce. That said, with increasing industrial demand, potential rate cuts, and its historical tendency to follow gold, silver might just be gearing up for a spectacular run that could hypothetically change the ratio, but most likely not $100 an ounce in the near future. Now, if this potential surge in silver prices has caught your attention, you might be wondering how to capitalize on this opportunity. One great way to purchase silver and other precious metals is through a Precious Metals IRA. A Precious Metals IRA offers several benefits, including diversification of your portfolio, helping to protect against inflation, and a hedge against economic uncertainties. By holding physical silver within your IRA, you can potentially reap the rewards of rising silver prices while enjoying the tax advantages of an IRA. It's a smart move to consider, especially with the volatility of the economy and rising inflation. To get started with your precious metals IRA, consider giving us at Goldco a call. We specialize in helping folks just like you secure your financial future with precious metals. With a seamless setup process, Goldco can help you navigate the intricacies of adding silver to your portfolio. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Call Goldco today to learn more and take the first step towards a more secure financial future. Keep an eye on the market, and who knows, you might just witness silver's rise to $100 an ounce.